bakit ganito ang nangyayari sa marshmallow? Dahil ba to sa Boyle's Law? So, ano nga ba ang Boyle's Law? By the way, good day everyone, and good morning Sir Darrell. My name is Mark Angelo Sartorio from Grade 10 Sultan Kudarat. So, ano nga ba ang Boyle's Law? Boyle's Law states that pressure is inversely proportional to the volume while having constant temperature moles of gas. This means if the volumes of gas increase, is the pressure decrease. And if the volumes of gas decrease, its pressures increase. Kaya ang relationship niya ay inversely proportional. Ano nga ba ang halimbawa nito? Ang one of the best example nito ay ang marshmallow na inilagay sa loob ng syringe. Kung saan kapag hinila natin ang plunger palabas, ay tumataas ang volume nito na nagiging sanhi ng paglaki ng marshmallow dahil sa pagbaba ng pressure. Habang kapag itinutulak natin ang plunger papasok, ay lumilit ang volume nito. Yan. Halina't ating obserbahan. Bago tayo magsimula, ano ang formula ng Boyle's Law? Ang formula ng Boyle's Law is P sub 1, V sub 1 is equal to P sub 2 and V sub 2. So, kung long term naman is initial pressure, initial volume is equal to the final pressure and final volume.
Good morning, Sir Darrell. My name is Wendell Almeneda, Group 4, Line 9. Today's experiment is all about Charles' Law. This is a law in chemistry that states that the volume of gas is directly proportional to its temperature of constant pressure. B sub 1 is to T sub 2 equals B sub 2 is to T sub 1. The relationship is directly proportional. We're going to test it out with a balloon and some hot water. Get ready for some exciting result. Ayun na, nakikita ko siya.